Good day, ma'am. This is our documentary review decoding the secret patterns of nature, Fibonacci ratio, and pi. The documentary explores how mathematical concepts like the Fibonacci sequence and pi manifest in natural phenomena. It begins by explaining the Fibonacci sequence, such as 0-1, 1-2, 3, etc., where which term is the sum of the two preceding numbers and its connection to the golden ratio. Example: include flower petals, lilies with 3 petals, buttercups with 5 petals, sunflower seed spiral 34 and 21 spirals, and Nautilotus shells logarithmic spiral. The film also highlights pi, emphasizing its role in circular structure like river meanders, sound waves, and the sun disk. Additionally, it touches in fractals, repeating patterns, and chaos theory, linking this to weather prediction and complex systems.
Connection to curse topics. Patterns and numbers in nature. Fibonacci sequence appears in flower petals. Example: daisies with 13 petals, sunflower spirals, and 3 branching. Pi found circular shapes. Example: river, bends, sun disk. Fractals repeating patterns in snowflakes or coast tiles. Introduction to sets. Groupings. Flower petals classified into sets of Fibonacci numbers. For example, lilies in a set of 3, buttercups in a set of 5, sunflower seeds arranged in 2 set of petals, 32 and 21. Nautilus chambers grouped into logarithmic spiral layers. Relation and functions, Fibonacci and growth. The sequence models proportional growth. Example: Nautilus shells expand by adding chambers of equal to the sum of the previous 2. Golden ratio proportion, human body measurements. Example: finger segments approximate. Pi and circularity relate circumference to diameter in natural circles. For example, river bends.
Personal reflection. This documentary reshaped our view of mathematics as an inherent language of nature. Observing Fibonacci spirals in sunflower or pi in river paths revealed how abstract concepts govern tangible phenomena occur. Insight was the efficiency of Fibonacci patterns. Sunflower seeds spiral arranged maximize space, illustrating how nature optimized growth through math. The film also highlighted the interconnection of disciplines, showing how math bridges biology, physical, and ecology. For instance, chaos theory's role in weather prediction underscores the complexity and beauty of natural systems. Visual suggestion. Use image of sunflower, Nautilus shells, and Fibonacci spiral to illustrate pattern. Display table comparing Fibonacci ratios or pi's roles in circular shape.